Kumusta mga kaibigan? For my next job ay magpapalit ako ng LED driver para sa LED light fitting na katulad nito. Ang LED driver ay kailangan para umilaw o gumana ang light fitting. Ang driver at LED na ito ay gumamit ng 7-wire JST push-in connector. Pero ang LED driver na ito ay discontinued na. Kaya wala nang mabibili sa market na katulad nito. Kaya ang option ay gumamit ng alternative LED driver. At itong alternative LED driver na compatible pa rin sa light fitting. Pero may konting pagkakaiba sapagkat ang driver na ito ay hindi gumamit ng 7-wire kundi 2 lang. Kaya para maging compatible at gumana ang light fitting, ay kailangan kong i-alter ang wiring connection. So ito yung papalitan natin guys. Ito. See. Hindi siya umiilaw. At na-check ko na yan, ang problema niya ay yung driver. So, let's get to it. So, ito yung gear tray nitong fitting na to guys. So, makikita nyo, ayan yung kanyang driver, yan yung papalitan natin. Makikita nyo, mayroon pa ditong ibang module. That is because it is part of the emergency lighting. No? So, makikita nyo, ito yung supply ng normal. And then, ito yung supply ng emergency. Yung normal supply, ito siya. So, pwede natin i-disconnect dyan at mawawalan ng power yung normal. But the emergency, kailangan patayin sa breaker yan. Pero, for this one, hindi ko napapatayin. So, disconnect natin ito. So, ayan. Disconnected na siya. So, wala na yung normal supply niya. Emergency, live pa yan. So, makikita nyo, live pa rin tong supply niya dahil nanggagaling niya ngayon sa emergency. What we can do is to take this fuse off. So, tinanggal ko na yung fuse. Okay, check natin. So, yung live. Permanent live. Switch live. The emergency ito, buhay pa yan. Pero, yung load side niya, wala na. Patay na. So, now we can safely work on this. Pwede natin palitan to. Always use Wago so I don't have exposed wires. And then ito naman is the dolly control. Galing yan sa switch. Yun. So, natanggal na. So, ito yung bagong driver. Same din. Live and neutral. And then, itong dolly to this. And then, kita nyo, dalawa lang yung terminal. Dalawa lang yung wire. So, we're gonna get two of the wires from here. I will show you later. Out of these 7 wires, we only need black and yellow. So, ito yung a bit of rewiring na necessary para ma-accommodate nitong driver itong old light fitting. So, paano ko nalaman kung which two wires? I went to the website of the maker of this fitting, and then I downloaded the data sheet. At doon ko nalaman na out of these 7 wires, ito lang yung kailangan ko. Now, we're going to connect this black to brown, then yellow to black. So that's it. Yellow to black, black to brown. Then I can now secure this back here. Okay. Okay na rin yan. Secure naman na siya. And then now we can reconnect this, put the fuse back, and reconnect the normal supply. And then we're good. Okay, so now babalikan itong fuse from the emergency supply, and that should turn on. Okay, so pakita ko sa inyo. So, ayan na siya. The light is turned on. Now using the emergency supply. So, lalagay ko muna yung cover bago ko finally i-plug in ulit yung kanyang normal supply. That's it. So, pa-plug ko na lang itong normal power, and we're done. Okay. So, if you hear that click, yun, nag-switch yung emergency module niya from emergency supply to normal. Dahil kinabit ko na yung normal supply. And that's it, folks.